Namaskar. I am uploading my video on a subject where one former minister and senior BJP leader, who is also incidentally the son of former chief minister of Haryana, former chief minister of Himachal Pradesh, Prem Kumar Dhumal, Mr. Anurag Thakur, who is also the BCCI officer, who virtually in Lok Sabha asked Rahul Gandhi, खुद की जात का पता नहीं और ओबीसी जनगणना की बात कर रहे हैं. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी angry, I am feeling very disgusted, I am hurt that the parliamentarian of this country is virtually is in parliament asking leader of the opposition about his caste. Are we so backward? Still we are backward, still we are in the era of Manusmruti, still we are in the era that a person of particular caste should only get married with that particular caste. Are we in that even in the 21st century? Then if that's so, then there are the caste, the subcaste and even the other threads. Then marry only in those threads? Are we so backward even in this 21st century? It's a shame that such statement is being said in parliament. I'm feeling very bad for that, and this is said by the same person who, when the protest was going on in Delhi about that Shaheen Bagh, and that time he said, Goli maro sabko, Goli maro saloko, the same Anurag Thakur, and he's the same person who today questioned about Rahul Gandhi's caste. We all know, friends, that Rahul Gandhi, his ancestor Motilal Nehru was a Kashmiri Pandit. So Indira Gandhi got married with a Parsi. Sonia Gandhi is Italian Christian, and Maneka Gandhi is a Sikh. Okay. Does it matter that it should be married in the same caste? This is the same thing what happens in Jhajjar area of Haryana, where if the girl marries without the wishes of against the wishes of parents, she is being killed. It's honor killing. Does Mr. Anurag Thakur want that particular thing in India? Is he questioning that? Mr. Rahul Gandhi was only saying that the creamy and non-creamy layer should be distinguished. This is the reality of this country, that the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe population of this country, which is over 25% of the population, and nearly 40% are OBCs. So that should be who are the real non-creamy layer and the creamy layer. That should be distinguished. That's all. And my another point is suppose if you are not getting along with opposition, it's okay. Is it that the tradition, if you are not getting along with the opposition or opposition is cornering you, just go and hit below the belt? My anger is coming out because I know RSS style of speaking. If in this situation RSS followers virtually question, so prove that you are the son of your father. And this is not only in bad taste, this shows the level where RSS followers can go. This particular statement of Mr. Anurag Thakur should be squarely condemned. It's unfortunate that this statement is being said in Lok Sabha. The constitution of this country is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was the advocate of equality for all, who fought against the casteism, and parliament is run on that constitution, and in that parliament such a casteist statement is being said, that too against Rahul Gandhi. There was Akhilesh Yadav, who immediately questioned, जात पूछने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? Yes, Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav was correct. I expect that this thing should be even my YouTube listeners should also squarely condemn this. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, thanks. Please subscribe and like my video. धन्यवाद.